Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you how you're going to upload your paper to the Moodle app. Now for uploading the paper, you need to create a PDF on your device and then you have to upload to the Moodle app. Now I'm going to explain you the whole process. So the first process is creating a PDF. And to create a PDF, you need to go to the Play Store and download an app called as Adobe Scan. Install this app. Once the app is installed, open the app and now you can choose any of the options. Sign in with Google, with Facebook or Apple. I choose the option of signing in with Google. It will automatically detect which account I need to use. I'm using my own account. You can use any account that you want. And now it says let's go. It will ask for some permission. Give all these permissions. Now you have to make sure you are on the document tab. You can see here document tab, and then you have to go to your question paper and you have to start clicking pictures of that. So I click the first picture here. It looks for the document, and if you found that the edges are not proper, you can adjust the edges like this and then click on continue. Now this is my first page. You can see on the bottom my first page is saved. I move on to my second page. Just keep it handy. It will auto recognize the page, and then you can, by clicking all the proper, making sure all the edges are proper, you can click on continue with your third page. Continue. It will auto detect the paper and click a photograph. See, now the photograph has not been clicked properly, so I adjust the edges from here and I click on continue. This is my third page. Now I move on to my fourth page. Now my edges have been proper. I click on continue. Now once my 4 pages have been done, I stop the scanning and I click on the bottom where are my pages, how many pages I have scanned, it is looking there. So I click here on the bottom right and my PDF has been saved. I'll make sure that I name this PDF as your name, the subject for this whose paper was, so it's Avin Algebra, and I'll mention the date for which this test was. So for example, I make it at 25th November. So I'm making my name, the subject and the date here, and I rename this file, and then I'll click on the top which it says save PDF. It will upload this document to Adobe Cloud, but we want this PDF to be saved inside our device. So what we do is we click on this more and then we click on copy to device. Now when I say copy to device, it'll ask for some permission, allow these permissions, and now this process could be different on every other phone. So what the thing is, it will open a file manager on your system, okay, and these are all the actual folders that are there inside my mobile device. Now you can go on the top here which says plus here and create a folder which says test paper submission and create a new folder. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this PDF inside a folder which says test paper submission, and I'll save this PDF. Now this PDF has been saved as Avin Algebra 25th November inside a folder in my device called as test paper submission. Now this is the process of creating a PDF. Now if PDF has been created, now this PDF has to be uploaded into the Moodle app. So now I go back to my Moodle app and there will be an option to submit your PDF. So it's a written demo PDF submission. This name could be different for you depending upon the subject of paper you are giving. I click on add submission. Then I again click on add submission. Now it clearly mention only PDF document can be uploaded here, and I add file here. I click on file, and then I am going to select the file that I have recently used. So what I'm going to do is I go to my test, I click on this top here 3 dots, and I go to my device and I search the folder which has the name test paper submission, and you can see the paper Avin Algebra 25th November. This is the paper. I click on that. I click on save. It says are you sure? I say okay. Now this up till this point your paper has not been submitted. You can say it's draft, not submitted. You have to go down and click on submit assignment. This process is very important. Without this your paper is not being submitted as yet. So I click on submit assignment. It again asks you the permission. Click on OK. Now this process will take some time. Please be patient. It will take a couple of minutes. Once it's done, it will show you an error. This error is fine. This is a very common error. You will always get this error that offline data for this assignment has been deleted. That is okay. This error message will always come. If this error message comes, that means your submission is proper. Click on OK, and now your paper has been submitted. Please make sure you watch the video properly and follow this process. Thank you very much. Bye.